Happy Gudi
Mark,
Parva to everyone.
so I am requesting Vishal, please you share the screen.
Yes, sir. Once.
Soma has not joined.
Yes, sir, I am calling her, but she's not picking up.
So you want to make some cluster, okay? And what are the variables you have used, Vishal?
The
You
academic
write
pressure.
down gender, age, city, then profession, then academic pressure. Another one is the
Work pressure,
work pressure. There are
CGPA.
three pressure, no? One is the academic pressure, another is the Z value. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. So academic pressure, work pressure, and then coping.
Then CGPA, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha, this is CGPA. Okay.
Yes.
So what are your stressors variable?
Sir,
Jobs. These two are jobs. These two are your variables. Any other?
sir, study satisfaction is also there. Sleep duration is there, but it is categorical.
No,
Um,
categorical cannot be used. It should be in metric.
so it has to be changed. Um, Financial stress is there on a 1 to 5 rating.
Okay.
And finally, depression scores are there. So 0 and 1.
0, 1. That is again is categorical. Any other?
Um, so these are also string variables. Study hours is there. This is mid number of hours of study, 1 to 12 hours of study.
But that is not in metric form. No, it is categorical.
Uh, So discrete values are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that.
If you can write down in this manner, then it is possible.
Okay.
Because we cannot make any correlation.
Okay. Currently, it is written in decimals, so financial stress is there on a rating of 1 to 5. So these variables are there.
Okay, now you go to the analyze,
Yes. Mm.
then correlate, then bivariate. Now you go to the stress variable.
Stress
Academic
variable.
stress, not the Z one. Work stress, another which stress, financial stress,
Financial stresses.
uh, depression,
Study satisfaction is also there, sir. It
study
is
satisfaction. Is it metric?
yes, sir. It is 1 to 5. It is 1 to 5 rating.
Okay. Then you click the You go to options. Means and standard deviation. Cross product not required. Yeah, means that is okay. Continue. And then what is written? Style.
Yes.
Table, value, dimension, condition. Okay. Then next.
Bootstrap and confidence interval.
Confidence now. Okay, now you okay. Click OK.
Oh, one second, sir. I'll share the output window.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Now you find out whether there is any correlation.
Hmm.
Is this correlation significant? Just you check.
Sir, academic pressure is correlated with depression, but other correlation values are very weak.
What is the correlation with the depression?
Academic pressure with depression is 0.475.
Achha.
Other values are 0.1 or 0.02.
But that is significant.
Yes.
0.1 significant. 0.001. That is significant. Okay. So whether these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables, so are they correlated with each other?
Sir, academic pressure and depression has moderate correlation. Work
But it is
pressure,
significant.
yes, sir. All have significant correlation.
Okay. Now you click the analyze.
Okay, sir. Going back.
Going back.
Yes. Analyze.
Then you go to the classify. Then it is called the k-means cluster.
Yes.
Enter. Now you select only those variables
Okay.
which
The
are
same.
correlated.
Study satisfaction. Open. Yes. So these 5 variables we have taken, sir.
Okay, and then you go to the method, iterates, and what is written, classify only. And then you click the other what is written, first one,
The first one is iterate, then save, then options.
option, click. What is written, initial cluster, ANOVA table, click ANOVA table. Next one is the cluster information for each case. You click it,
Done, sir.
exclude caches listwise, then continue. Then you click OK.
Yes, yes, I'm sharing the output. Yes.
Achha, how many clusters have you mentioned? No. No, 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 no.
Should we do it again, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Mhm. Analyze, classify, k-means.
And there is one, how many cluster you want? Number of clusters, it is written 2. You
Yes,
write
sir.
down 3, then okay. Uh, Now you go for the cluster.
Yes.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, iteration history, 3 clusters are there. And you go below. This is the cluster membership, okay. Then you go below. Go to the ANOVA.
No, it's quite long. Sure. There are so many options. That's why.
In the left side bar, there is okay, ANOVA.
ANOVA, yes.
Uh, is ANOVA significant?
So for academic, yes. So for almost
No,
all,
3 clusters are there. Whether these 3 clusters, I think, significant, no?
yes,
What
sir, the
is written?
value,
What is the
yes.
first one written? Cannot see.
Sir,
Can
in
you
the ANOVA
speak?
table,
Uh, ANOVA
first one is
table, what is written? First one, first row.
academic pressure,
Okay, that is the mean square.
means for DF, and
Huh.
significance value 0.000.
Okay. Next
Then
one.
work pressure, significance value 0.015.
Okay. Next.
Study satisfaction, significance value 0.00.
Acha, where the A value is high.
So the F value is different. For academic pressure, it is 11,000. For work pressure, it is 4.178. I
Uh,
think because uh, the numbering was different for these two variables.
okay. What is the third one?
Study satisfaction,
That is highest.
significant.
No?
That is highest F value, yes.
Okay. Now you have to go to the, again you go to analyze.
Okay, so, analyze.
You go to the classify. Whatever the things came in cluster.
Should I open K-means cluster,
Uh,
sir?
yeah,
Okay,
same thing.
same.
Then you go to the options. Now save. You
Save.
click the save. Cluster membership. Yes. Now then the continue. Yeah. And the clusters is 3. Okay. What is written? Cluster center mean. Na? What is written?
Where, sir?
Uh, it is something is written. I cannot read.
So is it visible now? Readable?
Read something is written. I cannot.
Read initial.
Oh, read initial. Huh. What is that? Read
Uh,
initial. Next is the read. Next is the
write
write.
fine. Write final.
Okay, not required. You go to the OK.
Okay, sir.
Achha, where you will save the data? Achha. They have to save the data. Okay. Now you go. Okay, click OK.
Yes, sir. This
And
has
yeah, now you go to your raw data.
back to raw data.
Yeah, back to the raw data.
One second, sir. Yes.
That is the data table. Yeah. Now you click the variable view.
Variable.
Now go below. Yeah. You click the number 25. Click it. So this is your cluster membership. Okay. This is the cluster membership. Now you can find out. Mona Lisa, this is vital for your research also. How do you classify the consumer? So this is the classification. Now you go for the uh, analyze. Now you click general linear model. Then you click the multivariate. Now you click the fixed factor is your 25. Fixed
Okay, sir.
factor is your 25. That is this cluster. And dependent variable will be your 5 variables.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then you click the model. Full factorial. Okay. Then you click the post hoc.
First.
Then you select the cluster one, whatever is written. This site. Yeah. Now you click the Taki and shape. Now, is there any scale conversion?
No, sir.
A plot is there. You click the plot. Plot.
Oh, outside. Yes.
Uh, you click this horizontal axis. Then add. Then go to OK. Continue. Finally, OK. Now, what is the result of your maneuver? Yes, this is the maneuver. You go Wills test. What is written? Wills test. Wills lambda
Yes.
0.17. Na?
Sir,
So
0.35.
no, that is for the intercept.
Okay. Down.
There it is 0.175.
175.
It is 0.17 or 0.18. And that is highly significant. Now you go below. That is a test of between subject differences.
Yes, sir.
And what is the difference? OCL.
For QCL,
First variable is academic pressure.
yes, sir.
Where is the F high?
So for QCL, here the F value is 11,400 for academic pressure.
Uh,
Significance value 0.000.
uh, okay, that means you are getting very good result. That you are able to classify the people with respect to these 5 variables. And these 5 variables, they are linearly correlated with each other. So the linear discrimination that may be conducted later on. Okay, now you click the analyze.
Okay, sir.
You click analyze.
So, okay, analyze.
Then you go to the classify.
Define.
There is discriminant.
Hmm.
Click it. And then you click the grouping variable, that is the CL, say, cluster. Uh,
Hmm.
then you write down the range 1 to 3, minimum 1, maximum 3. Then what is your statistics?
So the
What is
5 variables. Oh,
uh,
statistics.
means? You click the means and box in means. Uh, then okay. After that, you have to select the 5 independent variables. Whatever your variables, 5 variables are there, they will be considered as the independent variable.
Right, sir.
Then okay. Then go below.
Hmm.
Go to your output.
Yes, sir. Sir, is the output window visible?
Yeah,
Yes.
you go below. Sorry, the one sec. What is your eigenvalue?
Eigenvalues. Eigenvalue is 1.8 and 1.007.
Uh, and what is your canonical correlation? 0.8, no?
0.8 years.
Yeah, so it is very good one. And the lambda value 0.17. Okay.
Hmm.
Now the most challenging issue is that so this is the function. This is the function, standardized canonical discriminant function you will get. Next, you go to the structure matrix. The structure matrix highest is the 0.572, no?
Yes, sir.
And that is for which? Academic.
Academic. Yes, academic.
Academic pressure, that is high. Okay. Now you go to the last one, functions of group centroid. And after that,
There is nothing group centroids.
uh, classification matrix is not there.
Sir, I will look this here.
No, there will be the classification matrix. Last one.
Sir,
Homogeneous.
no, sir.
Yeah,
There
I think
is
academic pressure. No. There will be the classification matrix. You go below.
sir, the last one is this.
Functions of group. One side is predicted, another one is the what is written? Unstandardized.
Unstandardized canonical discriminant functions evaluated at group means.
Now, what is your classification matrix? Achha, again, you go to the analyze.
Okay, sir. Analyze.
Then you go to the classify.
Yes.
Then you go to discriminant. Then you go to the statistics. Is there any classification?
Sir, there is matrices. Under matrices, there is within groups correlation, within groups
No,
covariance.
no. You click classify.
Okay. Again.
No, no. You go below. Below classify is there.
Okay.
Now you click summary table. Yeah, that is missing. And okay, now you go to continue. Okay. Now you will get the summary table. This is the classification results. अरे क्या बात है 89 ना कि 99 what is
99 point.
congratulations 99% correct classification you have done
Mm,
in
that
psychology this is very tough. I cannot reach the 99%. 99% is usually happen in case of the hard data. But in psychology, 99% correct classification. How you have collected this data?
Sir, this is not my data. I have taken it from somewhere. This is some sample data I took from some open source.
Acha, acha. Okay.
Answer.
So whatever the data they collected is very good data.
Yes.
So this is called the supervised machine learning.
Okay.
So what are the steps we have followed? Shara, please you write down, and Vishal, please you write down. Just
Okay.
give me 2 minutes, then I'll come and I will ask you. What are the steps you have done?
Sir, today only, right? What are the steps we give?
Just after 2 minutes, I will take water and then I will come.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Analyze, classify, k-means?
These.
No. What is the basic assumption? Basic assumption that the variables should be correlated with each other. If the variables are not correlated, then you cannot do.
That's
Shara, have you done?
Sir, I'm trying to type in the chat box, but it's not giving me the arrow shape. But it's very similar to what Vishal sir has typed, that we start with analyze, then correlate, bivariate. Uh, we we find the correlation. Post that, we run for k-means clustering to analyze, classify k-means cluster. We create the cluster and then we run for analyze, general linear model, and multivariate. And the last section is where we use the discriminant function. So analyze, classify, discriminant.
Yeah, now it is clear. Now it is clear. So, Vishal, now I think you have understood
yes, sir.
the steps.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I repeat once from my side just to ensure
Yeah,
that I have understood right?
yeah.
So, so first we do the bivariate. Uh, First we find the correlation,
Uh,
then we
First, we have
run.
to find out whether the data is metric or not.
Okay, sir.
That is important. If it is not metric, then how can you do the correlation?
Yes, sir. String data won't work.
Yeah. Hmm. Next.
Next, we check if the variables are correlated
Mhm. Significantly.
significantly correlated.
If the variables are not correlated significantly, then you must be very careful
Right.
to fix it in your model.
Okay.
Next.
Next, we do the k-means clustering.
Hmm?
Then we do the multivariate analysis in general linear model.
No, multivariate last.
Okay.
Next
Uh,
is the k-means cluster analysis. And you have to examine the results, whether the variables are significantly different by the clusters or not. If the variables are significantly different by the clusters, then you can go for the multivariate. And in case of the multivariate, if you find that is the Wills lambda is very low and it is significant, then you can go for the discriminant function analysis. In the discriminant function analysis, your dependent variable will be the cluster and independent variable will be your correlated variables. And you have to click the summary table. Then you will get the discriminant function result. You have to examine what is the canonical correlation. and the width lambda. After that, you have to go for the summary table. And summary table results provide you, that is the predicted and observed, how much they are matched. If the matching is okay, then you go for the structured matrix. In the structure matrix, you will find out that is which variables are the strong determining factor for making the discrimination among the three clusters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these three clusters you have identified statistically. Okay, so this is called the unsupervised machine learning. Earlier one, I have presented you the supervised machine learning. Today, I am telling you unsupervised machine learning. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, today also we had labels on the data. I mean, my basic understanding is that if we have labels, then it is supervised learning.
No, initially there is no label. Okay. Statistically, we have determined the label. These three clusters, they are the three labels. Okay. But initially, there is no label. Initially, only you have collected the data. Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting
So
the
when you
points.
look at the sky, you will find that is some of the white clouds, they are floating in the sky. So there is no question of labeling. But suddenly there is some black cloud that is coming. And the black clouds are very fast. And they captured the white cloud. Okay. That means overlapping is there. So how do you classify the two clouds? That is, this is the black cloud and this is the white cloud. So initially, you do not have any label. They are all clouds. Okay. But they are carrying different parameters. So they are carrying different parameters, and it is your function to explore those parameters to find out which parameters have maximum discrimination value. Okay. Based upon that, you can classify. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shara, you have question. Shara, please.
So this might be coming from, like, I was recently reading about factor analysis, so maybe my doubt might be based from that. But the method of k-means clustering sounded very similar to exploratory factor analysis. So are they related or are they different? Like, I just wanted to know that.
No, in case of the factor analysis, your interest is to reduce the number of domains or number of the dimension. But here, your interest is to classify the people into different categories. So this is the classification of people, but that is the reducing number of dimensions or number of domains. The purpose is different. When you will find that is there are more number of variables are there. For example, here Vishal has used the 5 independent variables, but if you have the 100 independent variables, then what will you do? You have to find out whether these 100 variables are they correlated with each other. If they are correlated with each other, then you can go for the PCA, and then you can get the minimum principal components that can be used for your model development. That is for the classification of the people. Okay.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then one more question.
Yeah.
How do we decide how many clusters we should have? We put 3 here.
Yeah. It depends upon your insight. It depends upon your insight. You have written this is your correlation structure, right? Academic pressure, financial pressure, depression, and other things. What is that there? Some other 2 variables are there. So based upon that, you have to think. That is how many clusters will be possible.
Okay.
It depends upon your own insight. Researcher has some insight. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
you read the
Thank
note
you.
I have given.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good night. Best wishes to all of you.
Good night, sir.